Hey everybody, today we're going to look at how you can compare Synology's DSM and QNAP's QTS. Now they provide two online demos that you can try before you purchase. Before we get started, I left a link in the description that will show you how to access both demo environments. So if you're like me and you decided that you wanted to buy a NAS, what you're most likely going to do is you're going to go onto Amazon or you're going to go onto Google and you're going to search for NAS devices. And when you do that, you're going to be brought to a ton of options and you're not going to know which one to pick. So on the surface, it's really easy to look at hardware and compare that hardware. You can see that there are certain ones that have more drive bays, there are certain ones that have better processors, there are certain ones that have more memory. But what you're going to have trouble doing is trying to compare the software. And the software is ultimately what makes these NAS devices incredibly powerful. So after narrowing your search, you'll probably come down to a few brand names. And the two biggest players in the game right now are Synology and QNAP. And fortunately for us as consumers, on their website, they offer a full trial of their software. Now, I'm not going to tell you that it's identical to if you went and purchased these devices and then you sat down and you configured it the exact way that you wanted to. Obviously, it's not going to do that. But if you just want to look around and see what it functions like and see what applications are available, it is an absolutely great way for you to determine which software you'd rather interact with. Now, these are both online demos, which means that you're going to be connecting to a web browser, and in that web browser will be their actual operating system, and you can play around with it and see what you like, see what you dislike. But ultimately, you'll at least be able to see the software before you purchase it. Because like I said earlier, the hardware is going to be objective in the sense that one NAS will most likely have better hardware than the other NAS, but the big deciding factor will be the software. The software is pretty much subjective, meaning that some people will like QTS, some people will like DSM, and it's really your responsibility to try them out before you purchase and see which one you like better. Hopefully after doing this, you'll be able to make a more educated decision and you'll be happier with your purchase. So that wraps up the video for today. If you guys like the content, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe, it really helps me out, and thank you for watching.